What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Honda CFB project. It's been a couple years since I started this build. I've been busy and my budget was tight, so finally I get the leverage of starting this build all over again. So I've been having an issue with this car. Every time I make a wide turn or a U-turn, it makes this weird grinding sound or like a roaring sound from the rear. So at first I thought there's a problem with the rear bearing. It did end up the bearing was okay. So I look up research and I found out it's always been the issue of the RD1 all-wheel drive. Problem was the rear differential fluid need to be changed. So in this video I might try to change that rear differential fluid myself. I never done this before. It's gonna be the first time I'm doing this. I look up on YouTube how to do it and it seems easy, so I'm gonna DIY it, save some money, and let's see if it's fixed the problem. This is the drain plug, but before we open up the drain plug we had to open up the peel plug first. I don't know what's the purpose of this, but that's what they told me to do, so I'm just gonna follow it. And we have to make sure we save the crush washer if we don't have the replacement, but it recommends that we need to change it with the brand new one. But in this case I'm not gonna change it because I don't have anything to replace the old one yet. Be careful draining it because it might be a hot fluid coming out from the differential. And let it drain for a little minute. Once it drains, screw back on the drain plug. Make sure it's tight. So I got this Honda genuine double pump fluid from my local Honda dealers. So Honda recommends 1.2 quart. That's why I had to buy 2 quarts of fluids. And also get the quart pump. This bad boy will save your life a lot. It's only $7 from Amazon. It's so easy. Screw it on top of the head of the bottle and pump it. Pretty straightforward. You will notice once you fill it all the way when it start leaking from the peel plug, and once it's leaking, that's when you know it's full. And then when it's full, return back the peel plug, make sure it's tight, so wipe it out and check if there's any leak. So as I working on the differential earlier underneath over here, I came across with this another issue of this car. Real differential vibration dumper. And look, this is not good anymore. See, I can pull this right now with my hand. This is an easy install. Just break loose a single 17mm bolt and voila, you can take it off. So that's no good. Out with the old and with the new. Look, luckily I got this from my local auto shop, and yeah, time to install this bad boy. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's find out if it did fix the issue. It's an annoying sound, so that annoying sounds whenever I make a turn or a wide turn. Over here at the stop sign. Whew, cross fingers. Wow. What? Really? Wow, I'm so amazed. It did actually fix the issues. Wow, it didn't make that weird sounds no more. This is how it sounded before. And this is how it sounds now. Amazing, right? So yeah, I'm happy with the result, and thank you guys for watching this video. Please do subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. I'll be uploading more videos about this build, so appreciate you guys. Peace out.